This is a 2-bed 1-bath located at 8025 Boulevard du Saint-Laurent. Starting at the entrance, there is a double-door bifolding closet to the immediate right. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Ahead of the entrance, there is a foyer that bends leftwards into a hallway intersection that leads leftwards, straight ahead and rightwards. Leftwards is a laundry room with significant storage space that features a white, energy-efficient laundry machine and dryer next to one another. Ahead of the intersection is the first bedroom. The first bedroom features a window with a roller shade on the back right wall. On the immediate left, there is a double bifolding door closet. Rightwards of the intersection is the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. To the immediate left is the kitchen. The L-shaped kitchen includes a fridge, sink, microwave, dishwasher, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the dark upper and lower cabinetry. Next to the kitchen is a spacious dining room. The kitchen and dining room flow into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features large windows with roller shades along the left and back walls. To the left of the windows, there is a door that leads onto the balcony. Rightwards of the living room is a hallway intersection that leads leftwards and rightwards. To the right is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, bathtub, and walk-in glass door shower. The vanity features 4 drawers below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Across from the bathroom is the master bedroom. The master bedroom features a large glass window with a roller shade on the back left wall and a walk-in closet on the immediate right.